All right, boys and girls, so we are on chapter 10, lesson 4. We are going to take what we did in the previous lesson, which was actually lesson 1, and we're going to crank it up a notch and apply it to slightly more complicated situations and a more diverse variety of numbers. All right, so we're going to work out problems 2 and 4. Our first problem is 1/3 times 12. So let's go to our whiteboard. 1/3 times 12. All right, your first step is to set this up with your whole number having a denominator. So we're going to go 1/3 times 12 over 1. If you don't believe me, check it on a calculator. 12 over 1 is the same as 12. Let's multiply across. 12 times 1 equals 12. 1 times 3 equals 3. Now we're in the second stage. We have 12 over 3, which is the same as saying 12 divided by 3. Now, we know that I can make 4 wholes with a group of 12 if I have 3 groups. Let's draw it out for the sake of fun while we're at it, just so we're really clear. So here's my denominator. Those are the spaces that need to be filled. I have 3 of them. I have 12 dots, so I'm going to evenly disperse them. 1, maybe, kind of let me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many dots do I have in each group? 4. That's what we're talking about, right? Excellent. So my full answer is 4. Whether you needed to draw a picture to get there or you can do that in your head, works for me. Let's do the next one. The next problem is 5 6 times 18. And we'll let the computer catch up with us a little bit. All right, computer's ready to go. Let's do 5 6 times 18. I have 5 6 times 18. So I need my denominator on the bottom, and I multiply across. 5 times 18. You might not be able to do that in your head. I certainly can't after a full day of working, so I'm going to work it out on the side. 8 times 5 equals 40. 5 times 1 equals 5 plus 4 is 90. Perfect. So I know that's 90 over 6. All right. All right, so I ended up with 90 over 6, and now I need to think, what times 6 equals 90? So 90 divided by 6 equals what? You could do this in a variety of ways. Let's just go ahead and work it out this way. You might know it off the top of your head. See what happens. So 6 goes into 9. How many times? Once. 1 times 6 is 6. I don't know why that part of the screen isn't working. Bring down the 3. Oh my goodness. Bring down the 3. And then we have a 0 over here. 5 goes into, 6. That's a 6. Goes into 30 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 6 equals 30, even though it's not letting me write it. And I don't have a remainder, so my final answer is 15. You can check it by going 6 times 15. So if we drew this out, our whole number is 18, right? That's our box. And we look at our fraction. How many slices am I going to have? My denominator tells me how many sections, how many slices. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, if I had to deposit 18 things, this is my whole 18, this whole box. There's 18 of something. Throughout all of these boxes, let's see how many I would get in each section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And we kind of know that, right? because 6, that's the amount of sections, times 3, the amount of dots, equals 18. But now let's look at our 5. 5, 6. So that's how many slices, how many boxes I'm going to be dealing with. So here's a 6 right here. Here's a 6 right here. How many of these 6 do I want to count? 5 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. That would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Excellent. So my final answer is 15. All right, if you need to go back and do this type of stuff, totally okay. I just recommend that you meet up for office hours or you check in and we make sure we're really solid. Awesome. Good work, you guys. Let's make sure we're really solid with this stuff before we move on. Go ahead and complete page 727 today. And those of you who are feeling really, really good, go ahead and move on to page 729 and 730. I think we'll be good. We'll see what happens. All right, good luck.